Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.